Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start working remotely with Upwork, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start working remotely with Upwork, the first step is to create an account. Visit the Upwork website and click on the sign up button. You can choose to sign up with your email address or through your Google or Apple account. Once you have selected your preferred sign up method, fill in the required information. Make sure to choose a strong password for your account. After creating your account, you'll need to complete your profile. Click on your profile icon and select Profile from the drop-down menu. Fill out your personal information, including your name and a professional photo. Make sure your profile picture is clear and portrays a professional image. Next, write a compelling overview that highlights your skills and experience. Keep it concise and focused on what you can offer to potential clients. Include keywords related to your skills to increase your visibility in searches. Then, add your work history and educational background. List any relevant jobs, projects, or education that showcase your expertise. Next, set your hourly rate or project fee based on industry standards. Research what other freelancers charge for similar services to find a competitive rate. Once your profile is complete, browse available job listings. Use the search bar to find jobs that match your skills and interests. Apply for jobs by submitting proposals that clearly state your qualifications and what you can offer. Tailor each proposal to the specific job and client requirements. Keep your communication professional and respectful in all interactions. If you receive a job offer, review the terms and conditions carefully before accepting. Once accepted, communicate regularly with your client to ensure clarity on project expectations. Deliver quality work on time to build a strong reputation on the platform. Request feedback from clients after project completion to enhance your profile. Continue to refine your profile and skills as you gain more experience. Be proactive in seeking new opportunities and improving your ratings on Upwork. As you gain more clients, consider expanding your services to attract a wider audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.